What is Tpack? It is a framework that combines three knowledge areas: technological, content, and pedagogy. It looks at the combination of what teachers know, how they teach, and the role of technology in order to impact student learning, increase student motivation, and make the content more accessible to students. Content knowledge, CK, is the what, and relates to the teacher's knowledge regarding the material to be taught or learnt. It is the subject knowledge, for example, maths, business, history, or any other post-primary subject. Pedagogical knowledge, PK, is the how. It provides insights into the teacher's knowledge about the methods or practices of teaching and learning. It's your expert knowledge of the craft of teaching, from learning theories to instructional design. PK includes methods of teaching and assessment such as direct instruction, cooperative learning, and teaching strategies like Think, Pair, Share, Dotmocracy, Carousel, and more. It's about how we make the content more accessible by the way in which we present it to our students. Technology knowledge, TK, is what technology a teacher can work with to make the content more accessible and support the pedagogical strategy we've identified. For example, the learning platform, such as Google Workspace or Microsoft 365, the hardware, such as laptop, visualizer, or tablets, and software or apps, either subject-specific or generic. As we understand them individually, we can begin to see how they overlap. Technological pedagogical knowledge, TPK, is your understanding of how to choose and manage technology for your students. For example, how can students use collaboration tools to share their learning with each other? Technological content knowledge, TCK, is pairing the most appropriate technology to the content. TCK refers to how technology is used in a subject area for deep and lasting learning. For example, students can use digital tools to collect evidence, make observations, and document findings. Pedagogical content knowledge, PCK, involves matching content to pedagogical strategies. It is the unique knowledge of the subject matter where teachers interpret and present materials to students using their insights into the students' needs, the specification, and assessment required. It requires the ability to recognise the relationship between students' prior knowledge, what students need to know, and the different pedagogic strategies which can be used to facilitate this. Tpack occurs when you overlap all three areas. It's the sweet spot when all three knowledge areas work together. Contextual knowledge, XK, surrounding Tpack is the context: you, your school, and your students. This will look different in every school and even in every classroom within the same school, as it is about meeting the needs of students. For example, a classroom which has one-to-one devices is going to be different from one without. A new build with integrated Wi-Fi will be different from an older building with black spots, and so on. Tpack takes into account that every classroom context is unique due to the variations in device availability, Wi-Fi connectivity, levels of professional development, school culture, and resources. Tpack reminds us to start with content and pedagogy and then layer in technology. It's a combination of content, pedagogy, and technology that makes for truly innovative teaching.